Welcome to the Coffee with Manitou session reintroducing BoldTrak. This session was originally presented on Wednesday, May 29, 2013 by Bob Bishop. Our objectives for this session are to outline the benefits of the new design, provide an overview of the interoperability with Manitou, highlight the end-user portal, and demonstrate data entry and alarm handling within Manitou. So why did we choose to redesign BoldTrak? First, we wanted to develop a stronger integration with BoldTrak and Manitou. Also, given the recent changes with the Google Maps, we wanted to provide customers with compliance to the latest Google details. Given the diversity of the devices available in the marketplace, we felt it was important to offer a broad range of device support, including HTML5. Finally, we wanted to unify our user credentials. Features of BoldTrak include the integration with Manitou, which means it's available from the GPS tracking form within the customer record and during alarm handling, and it also uses a BoldNet login. It is possible to set geofences at multiple levels, including customer, dealer, and monitoring center. And finally, the information is viewable from the web and from within the Manitou operator workstation. Technical requirements: Manitou 161 latest update, Media Gateway version 2 with the universal connector, BoldNet, including browser access to all workstations using Manitou, and GPS licensing. Now let's get to know the BoldTrak details within the Manitou Operator Workstation client. Users accessing BoldTrak from external means, such as through a tablet device or web page, need to have a user created at the level where they have access. Here we have a user within a customer contact list. They must have a password and a web access ID. The profile does not directly affect the permissions for BoldTrak, however, it is required to save the record. Next, they need to have a BoldNet portal login. They will use this login to access the BoldTrak portal, an element of the BoldNet server. Also, the customer record requires a GPS type system added. It is possible to enter individual systems or multiple transmitters underneath a single system. It is possible to view the BoldTrak details from within the operator workstation underneath the GPS tracking Jump To menu item. This Jump To menu item is only visible when licensed for GPS tracking. Next, we discuss the web interface. Customers, dealers, and monitoring company staff may enter into the BoldTrak web interface. This login is found under the same web page hosting as BoldNet with a / then BoldTrak. Upon loading the BoldTrak website, users log into BoldTrak using their username and password created within the contact list of the customer, dealer, or monitoring company record. After login, each user sees the search page. When logged in as a Central Station user, it is possible to search for customer records to load. If logged in as a single customer user, the link to the home account takes you directly into that record. Searches can be done by name or account number. Clicking the link to the customer record ID loads the customer. The default view is the geofences and groups view. Here it is possible to create groups to house one or many geofences, then tie them to devices. Geofences may be created as circles or polygons. Creating geofences is simple and straightforward. Simply tie them to a group, set their parameters, and then update. The Tracking tab shows all the locates, signals, and alarms for each device. It is also possible to filter the tracking view to a date range or numeric minimums. Alarm processing within Manitou. Back in the Manitou Operator Workstation, alarm operators receive new alarms just like any other with the GPS details tied to them. When operators view the GPS, the map centers to the alarm location with a notification of when, where, and what sort of alarm tripped. BoldTrak-related add-on modules. BoldSOS is a mobile application that provides life-saving communications technologies so that users can get help from just about any location around the globe. With BoldSOS, Bold residential and commercial users will always be protected and only a touch away from emergency services. Think of it as a mobile alarm system. The Location Services module works behind the scenes to ensure that the proper authority information is populated for any incoming GPS-related alarms. It provides immediate PSAP lookup for a specific authority type such as police, fire, or medical. By integrating location services with the Manitou system, users can quickly determine the location of a caller and contact the correct responding authority. Within an Instant Connect configuration, the caller ID information is used. When a telephone call comes into your monitoring center, Instant Connect uses the caller ID to generate an alarm into Manitou. When your operator picks up the alarm, the voice call is routed to that operator. The Universal Connector can help your facility generate revenue quickly by offering non-traditional monitoring services. It converts SMS, email, ODBC database, FTP, TCP, GPRS, RSS, UDP, and simple files into signals that are delivered to operators within Manitou. Essentially, the Universal Connector becomes a receiver for non-traditional transmission pathways. Thank you so much for spending some time with us today as we reintroduce to you BoldTrak. If you would like to add BoldTrak to your Manitou system, contact your sales representative or email sales@boldgroup.com.